Module 1. Getting Started.
Welcome to the Leadership and Influence Workshop. They say that leaders are born, not made. While it is true that some people are born leaders, some leaders are born in the midst of adversity. Often, simple people who have never had a leadership role will stand up and take the lead when a situation they care about requires it. A simple example is parenting. When a child arrives, many parents discover leadership abilities they never knew existed in order to guide and protect their offspring. There are countless war stories of simple GIs and sailors who rose to a challenge on their own in the heat of battle. Clearly, leadership potential exists within each of us. That potential can be triggered by outside events, or it can be learned by exploring ourselves from within. This training takes the latter approach. Once you learn the techniques of true leadership, you will be able to build the confidence it takes to take the lead. The more experience you have acting as a genuine leader, the easier it will be for you. It is never easy to take the lead, as you will need to make decisions and face challenges, but it can become natural and rewarding. Leadership is not telling others what to do. Leadership is inspiring others to do what needs to be done. Many people around the world who are in leadership positions are not leaders. Dictators call themselves leaders, but they are not. They are tyrants. There have been many presidents of the United States, but few were real leaders. Genuine leaders take a stand and motivate others to join them in a noble purpose. One such leader was Abraham Lincoln, who ended slavery in the United States. Another was John F. Kennedy, who inspired a nation to go to the moon within a decade, and it did. General Patton had a completely different but no less effective leadership style. What is it that makes a leader, and what separates the good from the great? This workshop will explore different leadership theories and examine what makes a great leader. Influence is subtle, yet incredibly powerful. You can order someone to do a task, but you cannot order them to do their best. It simply does not work and usually has the opposite effect. You can influence people to do their best by providing a strong, motivating example in addition to positive reinforcement. Leadership addresses tasks, while influence addresses attitudes and awareness. Influence is the soul of leadership. Course objectives. Research has consistently demonstrated that when clear goals are associated with learning, that the learning occurs more easily and rapidly. With that in mind, let's review our goals for today. By the end of this workshop, participants will be able to 1. Define leadership. 2. Explain the great man theory. 3. Explain the trait theory. 4. Understand transformational leadership. 5. Understand the people you lead and how to adapt your leadership styles. 6. Explain leading by directing. 7. Explain leading by coaching. 8. Explain leading by participating. 9. Explain leading by delegating. 10. Kozes and Posner. 11. Conduct a personal inventory. Create an action plan. Establish personal goals. A leader leads by example, not by force. Sun Tzu.